front of me is DOOGEE Fire 7, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view. First of all, you need to launch two apps you wanna use in this view in the background. To do that, click on the first one, tap on Home button, tap on the second one, and access background apps thanks to this button here, in my case at the bottom left corner. Now decide which app you wanna use on the top half of your screen and click on the icon of it. When you see this pop-up, select split screen and tap on the second app. As you can see now, I can use both at the same time. To go back from this mode, you can either go back into background apps and swipe them, or you can also leave one open thanks to this line in between. Just hold it and drag one of your apps all the way up or all the way down. Then you can use the remaining one or close it by hitting Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!